taga-guide, ganyan, yung taga-support, hype man ba tawag dun? The kind of love that I have for David is, ano siya, hindi agad-agad. Pero nung na-reach na namin yung level of friendship na kailangan namin to make the partnership work, the love I have for David is more like, feeling ko mas nagiging taga-guide, ganyan, yung taga-support, hype man ba tawag dun? Na-experience ko yun na nag-Canada kami, nag-sparkle tour kami sa Canada, na parang I really went out of my way to support him on stage, as we all know na medyo mahihain ang ating Ginoo. So, yun, I think it's more of that. It's more of showing my support sa kanya, sa abot ng makakaya ko pag magkasama kami, para mas mag-work yung love team namin.
And David?
For me naman, reciprocate dun sa support na binibigay niya sa akin. Hindi naman niya kailangan talagang supportahan ako, but she still does. So I super appreciate that. And, yun, tsaka, think about it. Like, sabihin natin 20 years from now, like, my name is actually attached to Barbie's name. I search Barbie Fortes, lalabas din yung tawag sa Google-related search. That's really...
Research mo ba ako?
Wow! Secret! Secret din mo. Hindi, kami ko, di ba? So, yes, I truly value Barbie as